Alright, no, my hair's all messy. I got that. Gonna wear a hat today. Today's an exciting day. My parents were at the car dealership last night and they put a down deposit on a car. And hopefully we can bring it home today. I got a few other errands to do before that. This is my pair of Beats, my Beats Solo 2s that came with my MacBook. One of the drivers is not working, so they sent me this box. Got to bring it over to FedEx, and then gonna ship it to Apple, and then hopefully they'll fix it and send it back promptly. But yeah, that's first thing on the list. Actually, no, first thing on the list is probably gonna get a coffee. Alright, I'm at the FedEx store, I guess. I don't know, it says it's an office, but yeah, I'm gonna head in, drop off my package. I gotta work on getting better at taking out the camera more. It is 8:37. I think I'm gonna head over and visit Dylan at work. I'm gonna bring him a coffee. Because I'm a good friend, you know? We're gonna head out now, and I am going to go visit him. And I don't have school tomorrow, so that means the whole day is free to vlog. Oh, and I still haven't showed you guys my new car, which I've said I'm gonna do like 3 times, I think. Alright. Good morning, guys. It is Friday. I don't have school on Tuesdays and Fridays, so I have off today and the whole weekend, which is nice. Now I'm gonna take the dog out, and then me and Ryan are gonna go and get haircuts, I think. And then my mom wants me to go and stop at the post office and get a registration form for voting because I haven't done that yet. Well, first I gotta walk the dog, so I'm gonna do that. Alright. He's never gonna land anything. New car. I am leaving. Oh. It's hot. Alright, I'm going to pick up Brian now, and then we're going to get haircuts. Hey, friend.
Yeah, dude, I think your brakes weren't working or something.
Oh, yeah, no, they're not working. New car, no. Yeah. You ready? Is it recording? Do I need a haircut? Okay, right behind us. I'm pretty sure that's the guy that's gonna be dropping off my headphones because I have headphones coming in the mail today. The Beats that I brought back.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah. Hopefully he's going to my house. I left a little note on the door. I didn't show you guys. Oh, or it could be this one. Who knows? I left a little note on the door. I said, "Dear FedEx man, please leave my package next to the steps if I'm not home. Thank you." So hopefully he leaves it there if I'm not home.
Have you ever thought that maybe, just maybe, they have more than one of those trucks?
No, that's the only truck. I feel like I'm gonna get hit by a car, so I'm gonna wait until it's safe.
Like a mom.
Why?
He took an hour to get out of the car.
Hey, you can't curse in my videos. I don't even want to do it again. I just did it 4 times. You're the camera guy. You're supposed to know what to do, but you don't know anything. And now I'm even more mad because the FedEx guy, the one I was just talking about, yeah, he was there. He was in the truck behind us, and he just dropped off. Well, he went to go drop off my package, and I missed him. So now I can either go drive a half hour away and go pick up my package or wait till Monday? Because today's Friday and they don't deliver on the weekends. Stay over there. Now I gotta go to the bank and get some money for the haircut because I forgot it before, but that has nothing to do with it because the barber just said that he needs 15 minutes because he needs to go get his lunch. So now we gotta get money, then we gotta go back to the haircut place and get our haircuts.
Wow, what an address right there. Redneck Ave. Seems legit.
Alright, me and Ryan just got our haircuts. I got mine for free because I took pictures for Rick, which I've done once before, so. But Ryan offered to do a video for Rick for free. Which
I was
is just
kidding.
Silly.
I just wanted a free haircut.
No, we're gonna at the time. So we're gonna try to talk to Rick. Maybe we can work something out.
Why are you forgetting the funny part?
Well, yeah. As you guys saw at the end of that time lapse, I'll like stop the time lapse right at that part. I don't think he's a registered chiropractor. Yeah, he is definitely not a licensed chiropractor. And he goes, relax, and then he just snaps my neck, cracks it. It felt really good, but I was like, I was kind of thinking in my head, like, what if he just killed me right now? But yeah, we're on the way. We're gonna go get some bagels right now because we're both starving. And bulking. Well, I'm not bulking. I actually lost 6 pounds. Ryan is bulking though, which is, it's not really bulking. He just needs to gain weight. And then we're both gonna go home. We're gonna shower, and then we're gonna meet back up. And then we're gonna go and get my package half an hour away, right?
Yup.